Now we are going to perform the second part of this experiment, that is um, um, to determine the effect of core materials on the Q factor of a coil. First of all, we have measured the resistance of the coil using DC supply. Now we are going to measure the impedance of a coil using the AC supply through the transformer. In this, we have three set of readings. First, we take air core, that is non-magnetic and non-conducting material. In this setup, we simply use the windings without core. We haven't insert any thing in the coil. This is the place for core, and we have not inserted anything in case of air core. Second set of reading is brass core, which is non-magnetic material. This is the brass core. This is non-magnetic material but conducting material. We'll put in this place of core. And the third set of reading is magnetic material and conducting material, that is iron core, which is conducting, and also magnetic material. In for these three cases, we have to measure. This is the circuit. We are changing the core material of this coil, and this is the coil, and we are inserting the core material. First of all, we take the reading for non air core, that is no core is inserted, and this is the setup. We are applying a AC supply through this variable supply, and this is also a step down through a transformer placed inside this box, and we are applying the AC voltage to this coil under under air core condition, and we take the voltage across, which is 0.6 volt, and current, in this case the ampere meter is from 0 to 1 ampere range, and the reading is at this time 0.1 ampere, and we can manage the voltage by a step increasing. For accuracy, we can take, for air core you can see here, we can take 1.8, 2.8 and 4.2, 5.7, and we take up to 14 volt, and correspondingly we measure the reading of ampere meter, which is given here, and rest is the calculation based on the formula. We are measuring by this circuit is impedance V and I, and Z is calculated, and further omega L is also calculated, and we can calculate the Q factor. By the next set of reading is by inserting the brass core in the place of core material, and we repeat the same experiment, taking voltage, current, and repeating the whole experiment by increasing the voltage in steps of 2 or 3 for the sake of accuracy. And the third set of reading is we inserting a iron core which is conducting and magnetic, and we'll still measure the voltage, current, and we, in case of iron core, we observe the current flowing through the coil is more with respect to previous readings. Therefore, we have to change the ampere meter, which ranging from 0 to 2 ampere, and all readings will be same. We will provide the complete reading, and you will see the difference of Q factors, which is less in air core and more in brass and more in iron core. You will see by calculating yourself. I will provide you the readings. Okay, this is all about the measurement of Q factors of a coil.